Your public records contract is in your inbox to sign. Congratulations.
Thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. I really appreciate that. Thank you. Ma, anything you want to say before I do the last, before I press finish on this contract?
I am so proud of you.
Aww.
This was a long time coming.
Aww.
You are my greatest gift.
Aww.
So happy. I'm so proud of you.
You look so beautiful today.
Such an amazing. Oh my God, you're so dope.
You look so beautiful today. You got a beautiful smile and you glowing.
Thank you.
I'm about to take a bite of this taco. I'm gonna press finish. Fire price, y'all. Fire deal at Target. You can get a suitcase for $90 on sale.
I told you, bro. Hey, I tried to tell him we should go to Marshalls, bro. Marshalls is where they got the shit at, bro.
I'm pushing 30, bro. This shit's turquoise, nigga. How about? That's it. Info. Spin. Yeah, good boy. See how he looking at you right now? Look at him.
How the fuck out here looking at me?
He will fuck you up.
He could try me.
I will allow him to fuck you up right now, bro.
If he touches me first, he could get all the
Put the camera on the real motherfucker. Yeah, see how he took it straight off you?
Yeah, but nah, real shit though. Watch out.
Watch out for who?
So I gotta say it, bro.
I think so, because I'm kind of confused who I should do with watching out.
You shouldn't be. You definitely shouldn't be.
Talking
about him.
I appreciate y'all boys, man. That's a fun ass tour, man.
Respect.
We had this shit put together, bro. Y'all held it down for us, and we appreciate y'all, man. Cheers, bro.
Cheers.
So, baby boy.
You know, I
excited.
I really didn't expect you to be this tall, but
Yeah.
it's alright.
I'm sorry about the jump scare. Maybe I'll throw like some bells on or something. So I'm scared. I feel like everybody say that. They say I look smaller.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe it's the angles. See, look. You see how high he goes with the camera? That's why. That's why.
All right, all right. That's a dead in the water situation. All right, after y'all run it.
But I'm so proud of you.
Hey, go get your brother. Hey, come here. They gave that straight feel so they did you dirty. I got that real straight. Hey, serious bro. I love you, boy. They got that straight? Yeah. You got that? Yo, Republic, I love y'all motherfuckers. It's lit! I feel like I'm going to Grammy speech right now, bro. Imagine if I didn't win. Alright, let me tell you. I wanna thank my friends. I got all my people here right now. This shit is actually incredible. I got all my friends here. I got my mom here, my little brother. Yeah, Chantel, Ocean, y'all know what it is, family. And now y'all part of my family too. I appreciate y'all. And this shit's about to be a fucking movie. Thank you.